If I had a Shopify store, here's how I would start leveraging Pinterest this week. So before we get started, I'm Crush Rogers and I do Pinterest marketing for online businesses, so like Shopify stores like yours. So the first thing I would do is obviously create a business account. So maybe it's not obvious because people skip this step, but yes, go into Pinterest and create your business account. This is really necessary if you want to run ads for your analytics and just because you should have it because you're a business. So the second thing I would do is connect my Shopify store to my Pinterest account and become a verified merchant. This is going to make it super easy for you to get sales without you even have to do much. Like I have a lot of clients who as soon as they connect their Shopify store, they start getting sales from Pinterest. So go do that. And the third thing I will do, just my first week of getting started on Pinterest, is now I want to set up and optimize my account. So this is where you are going to do your keyword research and set up boards that are related to your products. And you want to do keyword research around your products as well in your store so that people can start finding you on Pinterest. So if you have any questions, let me know and I'm happy to help.